Welcome to Home-Style&Botanicals. In this video, we're going to use this exact match to make a repair in our floor. If you've been coming by, then you know that we have moved and we're relocating to another state. We're going to rent our home out as landlords. We have to do the landlord type of things. And in the process of moving, there was a long scratch in the flooring. And I hope it's picking up well. So we went to Lowe's and picked up Rejuvenate Exact Match, wood furniture, and floor repair markers. Already showing the oak here, where I repaired here. And I really like this oak pen or this color for this flooring. And you have to match them up. And also walnut, and it's coming across really well as the mahogany, even though on camera I think it's coming across like it might be a little bit too dark, but from a distance and in the darker area you would need a dark pen, so, or a dark color of the pen. So I really believe that the two that match the most, though, are the oak and the walnut. And I have a long way to go with repairing this scratch. But you do get maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, and espresso. So these are the ones that I left in the pack because I really don't think that I need those three colors. I think these are the three that match up really well. So it says cover all scratches in any wood. Fill the scratches in, scuffs, damages. Fill in those scratches, scuffs, and damages before you add luster and shine, is what it says. Test the markers on an inconspicuous area. If the color matches, apply to the damaged area. Reapply to darken. Carefully remove excess pigment with a cloth, which I was kind of like using my finger to scuff out a little bit, but I'm going to use a cloth. Allow to dry before touching. Tightly cap the marker after use. Remove excess ink from surrounding area near the colored in scratch. Use one of the complimentary ISP 70% alcohol wipes included with this set for best results. Seal the surface after using. So I didn't get any sealant because I don't think that is necessary. And then if it is, then I'll go and pick some up. But I doubt if, because this is just like a surface scratch, but it is deep enough that we want to stop it from like getting worse, if you will. And this came from a dresser that was in this room here. So the room is emptied out and the dresser left a long scratch on the floor. Let's get started filling this on in and see where we are afterwards. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and set your bell to all. Leave us a comment, and yeah, stay tuned. I would also suggest that you use like either knee pads or some type of gardening pad on the floor to support yourself, because this is tedious and you do have to get down on the floor and it can hurt your knees. So that's just my little suggestion, and I would recommend that seriously. I would suggest that you just dab, and dab lightly where needed in the lighter areas, but where there are darker areas, just dab a little bit darker. And my phone is about to die, so hopefully I can get through this and show you all in a seamless way. So it says kind of like wipe, so I'm going to just do like little small circles over that one line, and that works way better than my thumb. Now the indentation, I noticed I can still feel it, but it's not discolored. It's taken away the color that it turned from leaving that deep scar and scratch mark. So yeah, and this one is the walnut that I'm using. I hope you can see. If you can't, then thank you for enjoying my commentary, and I will show you once I'm done. And then so I'm just gonna dab over here because it's a little darker. But over here, what I'm gonna do is go in with the oak, because this is a lighter area of that line, to just try to make it look a little bit more seamless. Yep, I like that a lot. So you might have to just, you know, swap them out according to the lighter patterns within the grain of the wood is what I would suggest. But overall, I think this is going to work out really well. At least it's not leaving that big scratch color, discolorization in the floor, and a noticeable mark. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's turning out really nicely. Love, love, love. Very good. So for this lighter board, because there's a differentiation between this board and the ones right on the side of it, I'm going to go in with oak, but then I'm going to add in maple. So after I have been like kind of like going in dabbing the line, then I wipe a little bit with the towel so it's not like drying completely. But then with the oak or the maple, which is the lighter one, I've been going in and going along the grain in this fashion here. And so it's been really working out well, because this is that, oh, sorry about that. This is the line here, and you can't really tell it. I have to finish here, so it's working out really well. Hopefully that shadow isn't getting in the way there. So again, I'm going to dab, lightly, gently, dab, and then I'm going to kind of smear it in a little bit, rub it in so it doesn't dry like that. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter one. See, I almost forgot where I was because it's working so well. In the lighter areas of it. Yeah. So I have to almost like feel for it, because once it gets covered, I kind of lose track of where it is and trying to record as well. But I go over those lighter areas. And then I still go in with the towel and dab. And then as you see, I just have this much to finish here. I'm just gonna dab, 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 smear, and then go in with mahogany. And I guarantee you, if you take your time, this will go by really quickly. It'll be a seamless process for you. Okay, so that just about does it. And I think I did real well. I probably will go in that area a little bit more finely, but for the most part, it is complete and it looks amazing. The indentation is still there, but the discoloration is what I wanted to change. So it matches spot on, and definitely from the standing position, you can't see it anymore. So hopefully picking that up there. I probably will go over this area a little bit more. As a matter of fact, I don't think I even got to that part, so I'll have to do that. I just wanted to show you how it blends really well. Overall, they are basically like permanent markers, but they are just spot on for floor coloring is what I think it's all about, is matching up the flooring. So yeah, super duper perfect. Of course, have to sweep. Never mind that. It looks very, very good. Love this. Love this, love this, love this. So, this is Carla for Home-Style&Botanicals. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw and it was helpful to you. I really appreciate you so much for stopping by. See you in my next one.